I did. Miley, you're a rainbow friend.
I know.
Why? You remember Lanky Box?
Oh.
Wait, why is he looking doing that? Nya ichi ni san nya arigato. I don't like people. There you go. Glob, globby. Whoa.
Look at all the wicked ones.
Wow, they actually made it kind of identical to like them. You know how dolls used to not look anything like their actors?
The little hamsters.
Oh my god.
Look at them.
He's actually kind of cute. I want one of these for Christmas.
For Christmas? Okay.
Can me and Mom stay over here while you go grab your stuff?
Okay.
We'd be good.
Right here, Mom.
Yes, ma'am. This is our Walmart vlog, guys.
Hold on, chat.
Look, ready? She's not in City. She's not in City. Deep throw it. My dick big hole like a metal. I said bark. Our Walmart vlog, guys. Get your ass over here.
How many years?
Oh. Wait, I wonder if there's any Labubu costumes.
Labubu.
Labu labu. Wait, this one's kind of cute.
Labubu.
Labubu. Labu labu. Oh my gosh. Sweet. He's kind of
try that on. I smell the lice.
Why is it so big? Why is this like Evil Betty Boop?
Labubu.
Why is it giving Labubu?
Get out. Labubu. Labubu.
Oh, it's a Highland cow. Too bad him, but. Labu, la labu. Labu, labu, la labu. We're gonna get kicked out.
Labubu.
Baby. New baby boy. Tiny enough to hold in your arms.
Labu, la la labu.
Wait, this is kind of built like you though. Why is this kind of me and him though?
I didn't mean to hit you that hard.
Like this one and this one's kind of me and him because you know I'm pink and he's black. He's tan.
Wait, I'm gonna try to bounce it over my head again.
All right.
You try.
Oh, we're not supposed to go out of the Halloween section until we find Mom.
Labubu.
Miley.
Labubu. Oh god.
That's terrible. I know. Miley.
Mr. Brady should be. Labubu.
What?
Labubu.
Labu labu. Oh, yeah, we're done. We done circled this place 16 times. That's all she said for the past 15 minutes. I asked if there were any Labubu Halloween costumes, and that's all she's responding with.
Labu.
I like that.
Okay.
Oh, it's all the way over here.
Ooh,
Bro, can you get that Barbie? Oh, someone peed.
I want one.
ASMR. I like my peppery zombies. She's like, they're slim. Slim, thick, cool skin, fine, fine, vision, tan, hair, different face. Kiss me side in the band.
Ready?
Yeah, sure. Hair done. Wait.
Joni.
Oh my gosh, can I say hi?
Hey, how you doing? I saw you. Oh, you want to go to volleyball? No, yeah, volleyball. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. You too. She knew it. Oh, can I get that? Yeah.
I think that's for blonde hair, isn't it?
I don't know. I
Let me
didn't
see.
think
Yes, it's blonde.
ELA major right here. ASMR. With the, what is this?
Triangle. Come out. We're gonna get the drop. Drop them off. Okay, it's gonna
Throw this shit. Seven, there's 6, 7. La boo boo.
It's like 6 or 7.
What are we doing? Waiting in line. The other way.
Oh my gosh, we did not pay attention as to where we parked. If you don't stop,
La boo boo, la boo boo, la boo boo. I told him side to side. Boy, got me walking side to side. Your hair looks really pretty. Thank you. Of course. She didn't got it. Hair. She really didn't, but it's okay. If it was a little boo, I'd smack it out of her hand. So loud. La boo boo. Gosh, I forgot we got McDonald's. It smells like it in here. Ew, my legs are kind of tan though. McDonald's ASMR. Yeah. That don't taste as good.
Nah, really?
Don't hit it too hard. One hand serve. Okay. We should probably not do that.
Give it!
Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this stupid little video. In total, we said Labubu 56 times, which is crazy. Bye.